What's going on, YouTube? I'm just up here trying out the new rope runner, Vertec. This thing, sorry about the camera. This thing is pretty sweet. I did a small review on it before, but it didn't come out that good, so I figured I'd climb up here and give her a whirl. So yeah, let's descend out of this thing. I got a bunch of branches and stuff below me, but let's see if we can descend out of this thing, and I'll show you how good it is. So I'm on it right now. You can see the line's loose. All my weight's in it. I'm running, this is a Pretzel 11.7 miller flow rope. I started using it as my SRT line. Not saying it's the best for SRT, but yeah, I like this thing. Pretty smooth. So I got her choked up there. I know I should have a quickie, but we got what we got. So, take my flip line off here. Let's see how she goes. Oh yeah, this thing is just butter. Butter. I have to climb back up and get my carabiner probably, but there you go. Nice and smooth. And here we are at the bottom.